Hi students, how are you? Good morning every students. As you know that am I thinking that sometimes it happens that you are getting so bored, but you have to keep patience. As you know that life is just like a tide of ocean, pain and pleasure is attached with that. So you have to keep the patience and do follow the all the rules, and you know that your time is now getting better and it is going day by day, it is improving. I think within some time it will be more better, but one thing is that you have to live along with the corona for the some time. That means you have to develop your habits and make such a routine that you have to follow. That means you have to survive with that corona. You don't forget the things and try to fight against the corona disease. Now today I am going to apprise you about the modals which are already going on before, and today I am going to apprise the modals topic is can and could. As you know that can and could is used to do something or do things like for making permission, for asking for asking permission, making suggestions, and all the possibilities, and to apprise about the ability in someone's or to the skill which someone have. So first of all I am going to apprise about can and this ability. In can ability, what you means that here can be used. Can is used to apprise. Can is used to apprise can is used to apprise someone's ability or skill. He can swim. He can swim like fish. From this sentence you can understand that he can swim like fish. That means he has ability to swim like fish. He has ability to move in different paths in the water. She can ability to speak different languages. She can ability to speak different languages. That means she is able to speak in so many languages. She is gone through it nicely. Second point I am going to apprise about possibility. Second is that can is also utilized in possibilities. Possibility. Can is used to express possibility. Can is used to express possibilities. She can attend a meeting if she is free at evening time. That means she can attend, she may join the party if she is free in evening times. That means it is not certain that she will attend it, but the possibility is that she might attend the party. From third, it is I am going to apply that can be used in asking permission. Asking permission. Can is used. Can is used for asking permission. Can is used for asking permission. Can I ask question please? From this example you can understand that can I ask question please. Second sentence you can better understand. Can we go home now? That means here from this example you can understand that can be used in for asking permission. Next can be used offering for offering anything. Can be may be used there. Fourth one is that offers. Can is used for making can is used for making offers. Can I help you? Can I help you in making lunch? That means you are offering your service to him, that if you want to help him in making lunch. Can I help you in watering plant? That means suppose if you are going to anybody's house and if he is busy in watering plant, at that time you offer that you want to do service for him, that you want to do some help, and you offer that can I help you in watering plant. So can be used in different form also. Now I am going to apply about could. How could is used in different form. How could is used in different form. Past ability. Could can be used in past ability. Could can be used in past ability. From this year you can understand that could can be used in past ability. Like from this example you can better understand. The exam was so difficult. The exam was so difficult that she couldn't. The exam was so difficult that she couldn't finish it. That means she had the ability to complete it, but due to the tough arrangement of question paper, she was not able to complete it. Now the second is that past possibilities. Would can be used in past possibilities. In past possibilities, what happened? Would can be may be used there. You can better understand with this example. They could come by car. That means they may arrive there, but they couldn't come there. So it is possibility. It means it is confirmed that they will arrive, but it is not certain that whether they will arrive or not. From this example, you can understand that they could come by car. Now, third is going to apply that for asking questions, for asking permission in comparison to can, could is more better to utilize for asking permission. From this example, you can understand that could I ask question, please? Could I have my bill, please? That means in comparison to can, could is more better to ask or for taking permission. So better you can understand from this example, could I ask question, please? That means you want to ask question. Could I have my bill, please? Suppose if I am going to any restaurant or any shop, and that time you are applying could I have my bill, please? That will look more better. So in case of having permission, could is more appropriate in comparison to can. Now the fourth I am going to apply that would can be used in making request. For making request. Fourth I am going to apply for making request. Could is more appropriate. Could is more better than to can for making request. In case of making request, could is more better in comparison to can. From this example, you can understand would you lend me your car for a weekend? Would you lend me your car for a weekend? Second, would you give message so from this example you can understand. Wait, I have to do more. In case of suggestion, could is also utilized. The last I am going to apply in case of suggestion. For suggestion, for suggestion would may be utilized for suggestion. Better you can understand. Would you go for a picnic? Would you go for a picnic tomorrow? Would you go for a picnic tomorrow? If you like. That means it is better that if you a picnic is arranged there, in that very case, if you offer, you give suggestion, that will be more better. In next video, I will giving some assignment.